Oh, Barney, let's play!
Friends, we have a challenge!
Your first task is to cook a hot dog. Let's start!
That's great! First, I'll take a warm bun and fill it with my favorite food! With gravy! Let's open it! And pour it right on top! Amazing! Oh, where's our friend going? I left my bone at home. I really want to give it to the baby. I'm sure she'll be thrilled.
Come on, Barney.
Thanks, Smiley. All that remains is to add ketchup to make it even better. Dinner is served.
And I want to cook a delicious hot dog with a sausage.
Whoop. I'm sorry. I'm so hungry I couldn't resist.
Oh no, I only have 1/2 left. Well, we need to add more ketchup with mustard. I'm just gonna hide it a little. Let's close it.
In my opinion, this is too much. Instead of ketchup, it's better to add more sweet cherry tomatoes. And 2 more sausages, cheese, and fried onions. Bon appetit!
Wow, such delicious hot dogs. I think I'll start with the last one. Let's do this. Hey, where's the sausage? I only have ketchup and bread in my mouth. It seems like someone has already eaten this hot dog before me. Ugh, that is disgusting. No. Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, Barney, I forgive you. Ooh! This is a hot dog with a bone inside? Ugh, is that even edible? It looks unpleasant. It's like a stone. I don't want to eat that. No, Barney. And here's a hot dog from the chef. I can already smell how great it is. My mouth is watering. Great. This is right what I wanted. Yum! Well, it is decided. Chef wins!
Oh, merci! Hooray! Barney, let me kiss you!
How about Pizza France? Can you handle such a task? Easy.
The recipe for this is 300 grams of flour, 3 eggs. Let's mix it all up. Nice! We're making dough! Amazing! I'm definitely a master at this. Now, let's roll it out! Awesome!
Oh, it's so hard. I can barely cope with this dough. Not like Barney. Ugh, it's not edible at all. Wait. Sorry, Barney. Well, let's see what I can do with this. I know. Barney. Go, boy! I'll just take his dough. Well, perfect. Time for it to be cooked. Now I need some… No, wait. I don't need that. We're gonna make sweet pizza with my favorite chocolates. I bet my sis will love it. Well, well, well. Let's assemble our pizza. Cool! Now, some chocolate. And strawberries, of course. Some bright sprinkles right on top.
Mamma mia! It is very difficult to beat sweet pizza, but I will try. I have an incredible idea.
What is that?
It's a secret. But I'll tell you, friends. We're cutting some cheese, salami, and tomatoes. And now, we're putting all of these ingredients into our pizza croissant. And voila! Of course. Hot pepper as a secret weapon. Melt, melt, melt my pizza croissant. I found the ball! What are you doing here? Oh, everyone did a great job, but where's my dough? Oops. I'm sorry, Barney. You can have my dough. Time is up, friends. Are you ready? Hooray! I can't wait to try your pizza. This bowl is really weird. It doesn't look like a delicious pizza at all. Ew. What a pity. Barney, you're out. But my sister's pizza looks wonderful. Wow, how amazing it is. I'm absolutely thrilled. This is really good. Ooh, chef. Look at this creativity. It's like an ice cream cone. It's very delicious. Now the cone itself. Wow, look at the stretch. Cheese pulls are my favorite. But still, strawberries are my favorite berry, so my sister wins. Oh, yes! Yoo-hoo! And now I want jelly in a bottle. Come on, friends! Well, first of all, I'll add dry food. I always eat it for breakfast. But I can't imagine where to get honey at all. Don't look at me like that. No, I'm sorry, Barney. It's a competition. I can't share honey with you. But I'll give you a special costume so that the bees won't sting you when you collect it. Thank you. Hooray! I found a beehive! And now I can pour honey straight into the bottle. Thank you, bees! This is amazing! Looking very delicious. Oh, bees? Oh, they're not really willing to share. I think the best filling for my jelly will be candy. It will be very nice if I put them in the order of the colors of the rainbow. Nice! Layer by layer, color by color. Perfecto! Now, time for some honey. Pouring it right into the bottle. This is looking very nice. Check it out, guys. I am done. I love Coke. Oops. I'm sorry. I better make jelly for my sis, too. I think Sophie will really like it. In my opinion, honey and cola is the perfect combination. Let's do this. Whoa! It's working just fine. Yum! Love it! Oh! That tickles Barney! You're cute! Oh, it is cute! Well, are you done, friends? It's time to freeze our jelly in a bottle! We all have freezers, so let's go! Sophie's really hungry! Well, we have everything ready! I'm hungry! Yeah, come on, eat it! Hooray!
job! I'll start with my sister's jelly. It looks so mysterious! What is that? Wow! It's Coke! I really like it! Amazing! Oops, sorry. Wow! What a beautiful candy bottle! Chef, you're on top, as always! Wow! This combination is really good! Incredible! Oh! I think Barney made jelly with dog food. Whoa! Ew! No! I don't like that at all! It's horrible! Oh, your smile is so sweet! Well, my sweetheart! Oh, no, wait! Oh, I can't! It's the best dog in the world! That's for sure. We all love him. Okay, Barney wins!
Hooray! Congratulations, my friend!
Thanks to everyone who likes and subscribes to our channel. Write in the comments whom you would give the victory to. See you soon, friends. Bye.